Hey, welcome back to the garage. Today, pretty straightforward and simple and easy and probably quick video for y'all. We're gonna toss the seats in, and that will effectively button up the interior. So the great thing about seats in this era Mustang, they're 4 bolts. I'll show you what they look like. I can talk.
Today, Junior.
Slides right in, right up underneath from the car. You toss the 4 bolts in, put some grommets back in to waterproof it, and Bob's your uncle, seats are in. Too easy. I think what I'm going to do for the passenger seat, it's actually in pretty good condition, all things considered, so I'll keep that stock. Realistically, what I'm doing on the driver's side, I'll probably get a Kirkey aluminum seat and just roll around in that. They're fairly comfortable. This is not a daily driver, and yeah, the driver's seat is pretty battered, beat up, whatever. Right now, I'll probably put it in so I can make sure foot position, pedal position, steering wheel position, all that stuff is good, but I probably won't keep it in long term. So let's go ahead and grab the passenger seat, and I'll toss you on a tripod and you can see how to install it. All right, so this is the passenger seat right here. You can tell by the little control over here, that's what actually locks it in place, and you can tell it's cocked a little bit there. Underneath you have bolts, 2 on either side, right there, and then 2 on that side, and those just slide through the floor into the car and just get bolted up from underneath. It's pretty straightforward. So let me put the GoPro down and show you what's what. All right, so if you're looking at your car, you probably have a seat in this general vicinity, but there are 4 seat bolts, right, that I showed you on the seat. One here, here. And when you go to look underneath your car, there are holes all the way underneath, then corresponding locations. They should have little grommets like this, or that's that part number 377901S, and that's what keeps it waterproof underneath there, so you don't get water ingress. But if you come up underneath here, you can see one of the holes right here, another one is right there, you have another one over there, and another one over there. Pop those grommets out, and it is a 1/2 inch deep well on, I use a 3-inch extension. You can probably fit a 6-inch depending on how high your car is. Unscrew those and the seat just comes right up out of the top. So let me go ahead and get the seat placed in here and get it bolted in. We have a seat! Look at that! That way you can get into the back for all of the backseat passengers I'm gonna have. The lock does work. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, what it feels like. Oh yeah. Oh, all right. I think it's beer time. Appreciate y'all coming along. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.